what now? What happened now that you are doing no, as if you are ambulance?
You know what you don't do for the bed? You know, since you don't piss for body.
What is this?
No ice cream. Since you don't say now piss, you piss for body like this.
Wait, is this my piece?
No, your blood.
See, no, I don't trust you. You are sure that it was not you that pissed on the bed that you don't push me inside?
You know the craze. Even since when they born me right from small picking, I know the piss for body. I know myself. I get home training.
No, it's me that did not have home training. Since now you have been living together in this house. I don't ever piss on the bed before.
Who know whether all the girls when you know they break their heart for Lagos don't gather you for village meeting, table your mother, swear for you to the piss for body partner. Now better piss you piss so. Better one raw piss. You know me just now better piss you piss for body like this. Fresh.
No. This is not my piece. I know how my piece used to smell.
Piece investigator, tell me how your piece is smell.
Is it not my piece again? You think I will not know? See, my piece used to smell like soured coconut. This one is smelling like soured beer.
My own piece self, they smell like soured stew. Idiot! Instead of you to get up, clean this mess, put your head down in shame, and wipe everywhere clean, you they argue. See, if I love you, you will get cough and catarrh at once. Nonsense. Pissy. Now you just bleach my nika. See, if I get like you go see what I go do you. Man go make her first. I dey call for you. You dey think you do fool? Me fool. Get up over the bed. Fool. Do it like one socket.
I don't know this.
Akpano, I'm going to remind you of that money what your uncle sent. Whether
Hey, man, see, don't even think about that money at all. Don't go there. I don't want to touch the money.
no be fight now. I just want to suggest whether any.
I say I don't want to hear your suggestion. Don't suggest. I will think of business myself. I don't want to hear any suggestion. Please, just shut up and talk that money. I don't want to hear it.
Akpan,
Don't call me. Is it your money?
not even reasoner. Not that's mean never occur to you say you want change that busters. You hear me?
Why can't I change my busters?
Why you go change am? After you just piss for body finish, you walk go change your busters. Whether they make this house now they smell like public toilets.
I will wash the bedsheet tomorrow.
So na every day we call the watch bedsheet dey change for this house now. See, you go dey sleep with diapers now, or you kukuma go buy napkin they wear sleep. As no one solve this your pc problem.
See, Oduma, what are we going to do about this thing? I'm very confused.
Akpan, the earlier you wake up and realize say this pc thing so now spiritual problem the better for you. Hold on there. Where they come? Carry your piece where they smell like diesel come meat. Like
But I want to come close so that I can take your advice now. I'm really worried, though, Oduma.
They're very, very worried because this your pc so now they call me Wunre.
Which one is Megbemwe, brother?
See, the Wunre, to simply put her for you, it go make you piss so you call Tony potent man. Yes, so your pion tools will come flat like dodo. And as you piece, if you can piece away your destiny and your sins. See, the Wunre is a very deadly disease. I kill one man for our village. As I smell your piece, I know say this one will not be normal piece.
See, Oduma, even me, I know that this is spiritual problem. What are we going to do about it now?
What you go happen? Say, maybe we sleep till tomorrow. Tomorrow I go find solution, but I go advise you, may you not sleep again. Because the more you sleep, the more you go to peace. Once you close your eye, you go peace. And as you dey peace, remember your sense go dey short. Your sense they follow the peace they go.
It is true. You are right. Because even me, as I'm standing here now, I'm beginning to feel like my sense is not complete.
I not tell you. So what I go advise is just day like that. Stand till day break. Not those who if your eye just close now, before you go look, you just spray everywhere. Just day like that, man, sleep.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will take you for so I will find solution. Come. case they well, just dey there, they observe the house. If that mosquito come up my body, eh?
See, that 50,000 naira is too much now.
You get 100k, wetin be another 50k when you go use treat yourself? See, na when go worry for the order the medicine they come on.
Where is
Yeah, forget where they come from. The most important thing, you want talk to the peace for body, yes or no?
See, Oduma, I want to step to bed wet, but that 50,000 is too much. Let us do medicine of like 20,000 naira.
Well, I no go stop you. No wahala. Bring the 20,000, muku I go order am. Because where they come from fast so that you feel start this night.
Oduma, wake up. Oduma, wake up. I have peace again, no.
We'll talk tomorrow.
Wake up, John. Which time will we talk tomorrow? See, the medicine did not work.
Why you say the medicine not work?
I'm going to say that I have peace again.
Oh, if you say the medicine is a miracle, you don't know how many liter of peace when you say you spray for this bed every night before. Compare to now, if you gauge her now, you go say improvement all day. The medicine they work.
So when are we now going to see final improvement?
Pata within the next 1 year, you go just
1 week here. Yo,
now half package you pay for. That's why the full package of 50k that you pay for now. If you don't stop.
See, Oduma, I'm not going to pay any money again until I see result on the one that I pay first.
Akman, if you do half treatment, very soon it go get worse. So you go even begin a squirt.
What is square?
Leave that one. They stingy to yourself for there. They stingy. See this night again, you go do peace again. You go the worse, you go peace. Soon you go the toilet, the joiner. You go the peace, the push, the peace. This if you can last 6 years, pay for full package.
I want to use my money to do business, so I don't want to pay for anything again.
Now business you don't start so now.
I've got you. I know it now. You. I knew it. I knew it now that you have been doing something to me since. Oduma.
No. See, I want to treat you.
Treat me. For what? Oduma. Just confess now. If not, I will butcher you. I will butcher you, Oduma. I know now. I know it's cutlass. Oduma. See, I'm looking at this your head now. It's looking to me like it's a cow. I'm telling you, you are looking like a cow now. This your head like it's a.
Take it easy now. Calm down. I'll be your guy.
Which guy?
Moko reason.
Real which thing, Oduma? Real which thing? See, I cannot reason again. Shebi is I've been piecing sense. I have pieced my sense away. See, just confess to me, Oduma.
Don't be like that. Don't be like that.
No, be wish like that. No be wish like that, Oduma.
Actually
wishly. You want to speak English? See, where is my money? Where is my money? If not,
you don't wardrobe. I keep everything about Tosha.
Go and bring it.
Thank you.
You are very wicked, though. You are a devil. You are very, very wicked. I'm telling you. You want to die, have you? You think you can die? You want to die?
Abioduma, make una subscribe to
What TV channel
so that you will see all our episodes, old and new ones.
even the ones that we never shoot. You will see them there.